Enjoy. You're safe here.
Hey there, little ones. Got something good for you. That's it. Gentle. There you go. One more piece. Yep, good fox. All gone now. Stay safe out there. Hey, buddy. Here you go. Share a little piece with the kids. There you go, Gentle. Good girl. Everybody's got an appetite today. All right, there's more in the bowl. Take turns. Tiny mouths, but big bites, huh?
Hey there, sweetheart. I've got something special for you. Here you go, nice and warm. You want some too? Try the apple. That's it. Everybody gets a little share. Good family dinner, huh? There you go. It's warm, made just for you. Watch the steam, little ones. You're brave today, huh? Plenty for everybody. That's it. Take your time. I'll be right here.
Morning, you little family. Brought you a treat today. Chicken, blueberries, and some apple slices. Here you go. Glad you like it. Stay warm out here, all right?